Hi guys, I missed you. I'm so sorry that this has been a slow week, and I think it's going to be a quite slow month as well. I have 3 workshops this month, so that's going to be taking up a lot of my time. But I'll be back stronger like in December, I hope. So anyhow, here I am. I started this painting with some charcoal and then some gesso. And here you see me coming in with some purples. I have dark purple and then a violet color that I'm trying to fill the page with. And in between here you see me coming in with some gesso, just working my way on up to filling the page up. Yeah, so here you see me just working with a smaller brush, and then I switched to charcoal, and I really enjoyed the marks that I made here. So I had this gray on my palette, and I figured, why not just use it? So I did, and I really like the way it turned out. So, people ask me all the time if I have any control over my abstracts, and actually I don't. What I do have is some knowledge from watching a lot of artists work, studying other artists' work, and from school. Other than that, I just work with what I have on the paper. So trying to wrap this one up with some white marks from my fine liner, and not liking all of them, so I'll be erasing a lot of it. I just use a piece of paper towel and dry it off, and just go with what I feel inside. So I'm really hoping you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so sorry that I'm going to be a bit absent this month. But please leave me a comment and I'll see you soon. Have a great week, guys. Bye bye.